Welcome to Manifested Publishers.
But first of all, let's study the general characteristics of Kingdom Plantae. Basically, the one thing we know about the plants is that plants have chlorophyll, which is the green pigment, and that is the one that is responsible for photosynthesis. So basically all these members of the Kingdom Plantae, they have that characteristic. They have cellulose cell walls. Their cell walls are made of cellulose, which is a carbohydrate. That's another unique feature of the Kingdom Plantae. Of course, we can also say that most of the plants are differentiated. Most of them are differentiated into roots, stem, and leaves. Most of them are differentiated into roots, stem, and leaves. Although not all of them, but we are saying that most of them are differentiated into roots, stem, and leaves. And then we also say that the members of the Kingdom Plantae, they show alternation of generations. They show alternation of generations. And to explain that further, showing the alternation of generations is whereby plants exist in two forms. They exist in two forms. That is, one form bears the gametes and the other form bears the spores. They exist in two forms. The form that bears the gametes, it's called the gametophyte. This one bears gametes. We'll find out what gametes are there for. And then we have another form that is known as the sporophyte. We have the sporophyte, and this one bears spores. So the existence in two forms within the same type of plant is what we are calling alternation of generations. The generations alternate. You'll find that some plants, they have more gametophyte than sporophyte. Others have more sporophyte than gametophyte. And then plants, they show both sexual and asexual reproduction. So there is because of the presence of the gametes, we have sexual reproduction taking place. And because of the spores, we also have the asexual reproduction taking place. So we are going to stop there with the introduction to Kingdom Plantae.
Welcome to Manifested Publishers.